What's going on, everyone? We are going to continue our series on our lead reporting here. So we're going to hop on over into reports. We're going to minimize this new business and we're going to pop open leads. So we've already looked at conversion by producer. We're going to look at conversion by lead source. Very, very similar. It's just a different matrix that you're viewing down here on the bottom is really all it is, right? So the filters are the same. I can go into different pipelines and I can view my close ratio or my conversion ratio from stage A to stage B. Doesn't matter what it is. It can be from new to sold. It can be from new to quoted, quoted to sold, new to smart cycle, quoted to smart cycle, whatever combination that you want to take a look at, you have the ability to do in here. So since by default, it's showing the lead source in the matrix over here, I also have producers as a filter item on this one as well. So I can still look at like my lead categories, right? Or my lead source categories that I may have set up. So if I have a category that is all Google ads and I've got different PPC campaigns that I am wanting to compare, I can do that right here as well. So same thing with lead types. If I just want to look at my personal leads or my commercial leads, change out the time frame, etc., it gives me a very, very good idea on where I need to actually spend my money, especially if I'm going from new, let's say, to contacted. How many of these people that I am paying for am I actually getting in contact with? So I know, again, which campaigns I need to keep running, or if I'm buying leads from a lead vendor, I know which ones I need to spend more money on and which ones I can maybe start shutting off because I'm not even getting in touch with any of these leads. So that is looking at conversion by lead source. Like I said, they go hand in hand with the producer there. So we will keep this running on the next video.